Perfect.
Feels okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about seat height? Still okay? Perfect one.
C'est à Tokwawan, un vieux quartier de Hong Kong, que nous retrouvons Paddy et Garfield du collectif Wheel Thing Makers. Dans leur atelier, ces artistes et designers créent à partir de vieux vélos et de matériel de récup toutes sortes d'objets roulants qui répondent aux besoins des habitants du quartier.
Des footbikes par exemple, pensés pour les étroites ruelles de l'île de Kowloon à la densité particulièrement élevée. Le collectif travaille aussi avec le centre d'art local et insiste sur le partage des connaissances en organisant des ateliers. Bref, un projet comme on les aime.
Area can identify many funny stuff, just like over there. This is a coffee grinder.
I love it.
Yeah, it is an old bike collect from the breakfast collection pond. We create it and then we can grind the coffee bean. Yeah, you can try it.
Oh, no, don't try.
Yeah, let's just try.
Yeah?
Try it.
Okay.
It works.
Look. Hard to have a coffee.
Sell items on the street is not
Smell nice.
illegal. Yes, it's good. Because you know in Hong Kong it's
really
very crowded and compact city, right? So rather than in New York cities or Europe countries, our food bike should be being more compact and more flexible on the road. I found it about 2 years ago. I met a crazy people called Gary. He's a bike inventor. In 2014, in summertime, when he ride his solar panel bike, he's prosecuted by the police. After this incident, many media in local to report this thing said, oh, why the policy in Hong Kong is so behind, and that's why some creative parties, architects or artists knew this incident and start finding Gary to do some collaboration. When we group together, we're trying to do some bike. It's not for the individual, it's not for personal stuff, but maybe we can make some mobile device for the society or community, and trying to educate the local people that the actually bicycle is not just for racing, either for leisure. And not just a bike now, but also we insist to do some electric go-kart, because we are now promoting the STEM education. We keep going to the school to provide the training or workshops for the children. Motor, the turning system, the battery, that's it. There's an electric car already. And then we try to design in a very minimal design. Even children are capable to cut the wood, and then they can create by themselves.
Last Christmas, we have a project.
Yeah.
I asked all the parties to make their own Christmas tree with their own technique and own materials. It's my creativity.
Nice.